Hello, hello. Welcome back to the lab. Welcome back to EE for everyone. I am super excited for this stream. It has been a long time in the making, and yeah, it's going to be pretty fantastic. Basically, we've got a bunch of circuit boards. We've got some stuff from JLC PCB. We've got a few boxes of parts. Got it all kind of organized, and we've got these massive main boards. I went and did a little bit of prep just because we've only got so much time. Mohammed, no worries. It started right now. Yeah, so basically just got the little daughter card. It's just 6 buttons and a display, nothing special, and made the cable that can connect this back to the main board. Just figured it's not really challenging, it's not really difficult. Didn't want to take your time to go through that. It's a cable. But I suppose in true EE for everyone fashion, may as well kick this off with a little bit of an inspection of the circuit boards under question. ESD strap on. Man, it feels good to get an ESD strap again. I don't know if you guys were watching much back at the previous shop, but didn't have a static mat. That was driving me nuts. Okay. Oh, I see. That is going to be difficult to pronounce. I will try. Phonetic spelling helps. yeah, so this looks pretty darn good at first glance. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. And just looking at the board itself, looking at things like the silk screen, this is pretty usual. Not sure if that's coming through well, but this is pretty usual. There's like little lines in the silk screen. It's not like a solid block. Maybe you'll see it better on this side. No, it looks pretty solid on the camera. But visually, to my eye, I can see that it's not consistent thickness. Just looking at a few things like their part placement over here, that looks pretty darn good. I'm not seeing anything really off the pads. Pretty consistent quality as usual. Even coming over and looking at the relatively dense, fine pitch component over here, we got a little QFN USB controller from Cypress. So that's looking pretty darn good. I guess what I'll do is I'll flip through a couple of these boards and just see if anything stands out. These are relatively simple. It's basically just, we've got some screw terminals over here, and we need to get the power over to some daughter cards over here. I need to make sure the traces aren't going to melt if I upgrade one of these daughter cards to like 20 amps or something. So they're just made to handle quite a fair bit of current. And then meanwhile protecting the digital communications that need to make its way down to the different daughter cards down the center spine. You can kind of get a good picture of that when you look from the bottom. You can see inside of here there's the different power planes for low voltage stuff coming through. But yeah, I mean, this looks fine. It's pretty typical for what we've seen from JLC PCB in the past, which is great. Every now and again you'll see like where they touched up the solder mask or something. Every now and again you'll see something a little goofy, or like a smudge. The sound I'm producing is strange. Hopefully it's not too strange. Still me. Maybe my voice is a little deeper than usual. Okay. I don't know if I could really pick one of these boards above any other right now. They all look fine. They all look great, actually. I'll give them great. Yeah. Sure. Let's pick this one. I don't know. I'm surprised, almost even a little disappointed at how little there is to say about these. It's just like, yep, they're circuit boards. They were assembled